Alright guys, it's been raining all day, all morning, but there's a break in the rain, but it doesn't look like it's going to last long by looking at the sky. Everything's soaking wet, but I don't care. I got my wickerbills all painted and 100% cured, and I got the longer proper bolts I needed in today, and I want to get this thing installed. I can't wait to see it on the car, so let's do it. What do you think? Can you believe I can't believe I made that. Oh my god, I love it. It looks so awesome. If it wasn't for that one scratch in the center, it'd be perfect. But still, I'll take it. Took me a whole week to get it on the car. There we go. Finally. And with this, with the diffuser extensions on there, oh my god, it's looking so wicked. Alright, I'm gonna move this stuff off the trunk so we can get a real good picture. I'm gonna go grab my keys because I gotta test to make sure that I can open and close the trunk, because you see how it goes past the lip onto this lip. I think it'll be okay, but I've never tested it before because this is obviously a one-off prototype. So here we go. Come on. Oh no. It is hitting, isn't it? I see it flexing. Damn. I'm gonna have to shorten it. No, it looks so good. Yeah, I see it. I knew going over would be a problem, but that's why I didn't go over all the way to the end. I figured if I went only halfway, it might make it, but boy was I wrong. But let's get a look at this thing from the front. Oh man, well, we thought we was done, but we're not. I can't open my trunk. Do you need a trunk though, really? This might be worth not having a trunk for. Or I could keep the Allen tool with me and loosen those last two bolts every time I need to get into my trunk. That would be funny. Well, poopy pants. I'm gonna see how much I need to loosen them before it'll open properly. I could run a spacer behind it. Yeah, that could work. Let's try that. If I get a spacer behind there, just have it come up off the lip a little bit, that should work. Let's try that. Looks like I'm just gonna have to suck it up and shorten this sucker, or the bottom at least. Like, I maybe go from this edge to this edge like that. and then I might not hit no more. So I guess we have some modifications still to do. We're so close to being done. Damn you to hell. Let's see. Yeah, it hits just this part right here. So if I get rid of this, we should be good. God, that's a lot. Yeah, no amount of spacers is gonna help, because it just hits too much. Okay, so I thought we were done, but we're not done. But we can do that later in a different video. I'm gonna call this done for now, and just enjoy the way it looks. Alright guys, it's gonna start storming again here any second, so I guess that's the end of the wickerbill for now, until I feel like getting in my trunk. Then I might have to take it off and redo it. See if I can. But yeah, it looks like we're just gonna have to trim this little triangle off here. That way it clears the dovetail so I can use my trunk, I guess. Stupid trunk. If we just didn't have a trunk, it'd be fine. Alright. Catch you in the next one, guys. Peace.